Welcome. So how to start a six-figure affiliate marketing business. I'm going to show you how it works, why it is the best option, how am I doing myself, and how you could do it as well. So before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, where you're from, what are your thoughts about the video. Let me know in the comment section. All right, so first of all, I want to show you how affiliate marketing works. So if you have no idea how it works, so basically you join an affiliate. Joining an affiliate can be on ClickBank, it can be on JVZoo, or you can find a product out there that is not in none of these affiliate platforms where you can find products to promote. But that's one option. You can go and find a product and then you promote the product. You promote the product right here. You track sales, which is very important, and you earn commissions. Okay. So basically you making money by promoting digital products. Okay. So why affiliate marketing is best? So why affiliate marketing is best? Let's make a comparison right here. So right here, we're going to go our own product versus affiliate marketing. Okay. So if you go and you build your own product here, right? You would need, if you're going to do your own, you would need about 6 weeks to create the product, about that, or less or more, right? And so 100% of your time you need to focus on this in order to create your own product. Now, with affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your product because it's already there. So on day one, you are ready to start. You are ready to rock and roll. Then next we have marketing. So marketing is the income generating activity. It's the most important. And I have a 50% here because with your own product, you only have 50% of your time, because you have to take, if you're doing your own product, you have to give at least 10% of your time to the sales process. Like maybe if it's through a funnel, through a webinar, maybe if it's on an email, on a website, right? You need to have the sales process in place. As in with affiliate marketing, you don't need, the sales process is already there. So you need zero time with it. Now here on fulfillment, okay, you have you at least need at least 30% of your time to fulfill the product. Maybe if it's a digital product, maybe you have to mentorship people to train them. As in affiliate marketing, you don't need to do the fulfillment because the product itself will do it for you. Now here on customer service, supporting the customer and everything, with your own product, you need at least 10% of your time to do this. As in with affiliate marketing, you need nothing because they're going to do the support for you. Now, this right here on marketing, which is what really matters, lead generation, this is what's going to make you money. This skill right here, very important. If you're doing your own product, you only have 50% of your time to do that, because the rest of the time you're going to be spending on these stuff right here. And also this one right here. As in with affiliate marketing, you have a 100% of your time because you don't have to take care of the sales process. You don't have to take care of the fulfillment or the customer service. It's all done for you. Zero time spent over here, okay? And you can start on day one. So this means that 20% can generate between 40 to 60 of the revenue generated by the product. So as you can see, going with affiliate marketing is much better than creating your own product, because it's done for you. You don't have to spend time with all of this stuff. You're ready to go on day one, and you focus just on the marketing part, which is the revenue generating activity. Okay, now let's go here to the value ladder. I want to show you this because this is very important. If you are promoting anything online through affiliate marketing, it's important that the product that you are promoting has a value ladder. So a value ladder is the more they go up on the ladder here, the more value they get, okay? And the more they go forward, the more the price it is, the more the price goes up. And so normally we send people straight to a bait, which is like, when you go fishing, you have that bait, you're trying to get a fish. That's kind of what this bait is doing. And what it does is then as people go into this bait and they buy this, then they go up the ladder, and on complete autopilot, another offer will be presented to them. Then another one will, and another one, even a big high ticket commission right there. And then continuity program, meaning you get paid every single month because it has also membership kind of upsells and everything in there. And this is value based. So yeah, if you're promoting a product that doesn't have this, then you're going to leave money on the table. Okay. And by the way, this system that I'm going to share with you today does have all of this in place. Okay. Now let's go over to if you were to make $10,000 in sales revenue. Here's the thing. If you were to do here on the right, low ticket, which by the way I do it as well, and if you promote a product that makes you $25 per sale, you would need to make 400 sales to make 10,000 in sales revenue. To make 400 sales, it's kind of a hard task. Okay. That's why high ticket affiliate marketing, it's so good, because you only need to make 10 sales right here, which is $1,000 per sale to make $10,000 in sales revenue. So you only need 10 sales of high ticket products to make 10,000 per month. So it's much easier to have 10 people go through the system and buy this than it is for you to make 400 sales. Okay. So just to show you that high ticket affiliate marketing, it's really powerful because of this. With less effort, you make more money. Now, let me show you right here, how do people promote these high ticket program that works really well. And this is the high ticket affiliate marketing standard. This is what, most marketers do and having great success doing it. So what they do is they get traffic from, let's say, TikTok. They can get from YouTube, they can get from Google, they can get from Facebook group, from Instagram, from LinkedIn, from an email marketing software. The traffic can come through so many places. And then what happens is we send that traffic into we call it the opt-in page. By the way, I'm going to show you a live version of this, but for now I'm going to explain to you how this works. Okay. Then once they land here on the opt-in page, they enter their email because they want to get the training that's inside. Okay. They will land on this bridge page, which normally has a video talking a little bit about yourself, talking about the product. Okay. And then here it has a button that leads people to this third page right here, which is the sales page. And then what this sales page is going to sell them the product that costs $7, but it's high valuable product. And then as people go through this process and they get the $7 deal, they will then be prompt to membership and upsells, which are very valuable. So this happens on complete autopilot. Now note, when people opt in over here, we get their email. So we're going to be sending them emails talking about the product, talking a little bit about ourselves, introducing ourselves, and sending people back to the bridge page and also back to the sales page. Okay. And this system, it's the standard. Most people use this, works really well. Now here it's the advanced method. Now the advanced method, the high ticket affiliate advanced, it's the same thing as the other one that I've shared with you, the standard. The only difference here is instead of we send them an emails, but what we send them a video training. So you do a video training of yourself, maybe showing them how to duplicate with a different tool, or how to put this all together, talking about the product itself. And then so on these emails that you are sending them to trainings of yourself, and that builds trust with them, that builds authority, and people are way more likely to go and buy because you are explaining to them really much better. And I do this, okay? This works really well. And then you have the emails keep going on. This is the advanced method. It works really well. Now let me show you this in real life. Okay, so I'm gonna go for example on TikTok. Let me go to TikTok real quick and show you. Here on TikTok, what I'm doing is I'm doing videos every single day, providing value to people. Okay, and what I'm doing is I'm going live every day at 1 p.m. Eastern time, and teaching people how this system works, and then directing them to this page right here, which is the opt-in page. Okay, this one right here, which I'm going to show you in real life just in a moment. But right now I'm going over the TikTok account. Okay, so on TikTok I do these videos, and then I send people straight to my bio so they can click this link right here. Now this link right here leads people to this page right here, which is the opt-in page, the landing page. And on this landing page I have quit your 9 to 5 in 6 months or less. Ever wanted to have a super profitable online business without creating products, carrying inventory, dealing with customers, or spending countless hours on activities that doesn't generate revenue? My name is Fabio, and I help ordinary folks build extremely profitable affiliate marketing business, even if they have no experience or list. If you are interested in becoming high-ticket super affiliate, enter your email below to watch a free presentation that will reveal the formula. And then people enter their email right here. I have a picture of myself here. And then I have what's inside, the exact framework to create a 6-figure affiliate marketing business in your spare time. So when people enter their email right here, what will happen is, let me go ahead and enter my email. Okay, and this right here is my email, by the way. If you want to get in touch with me and ask me any question, you can go ahead and email me here. Okay, so I'm going to enter my email, and then we're going to click here, register now. And right here, we land on the bridge page, which is this one. This is the bridge page right here. Okay, so the bridge page. So what I have here is a video of myself introducing myself here, talking a little bit about myself and about the product that I'm promoting. Okay, then I have a little bit of a story of myself here on the left, and on the right I talk about the 15-day challenge with Dave, which I'm going to show you what it is in a moment. And people have a button right here which they click, and also a button right here where they can click. And right here, as you can see, 2 videos. That is testimonials of people using the product. Okay, and so what happens when people click those buttons, they go to the sales page. Okay, so let's go ahead and click this button and see. Here we go. So it lands here on the sales page with my affiliate link up there, right? And this right here is the training, which is a 15-day challenge training. Basically, it's going to get your business set up and ready for your first high-ticket customer in just 15 days, okay? So what this is each day I'll cover the next steps to starting your high-ticket freelance digital marketing business. So you have day 1 up to day 15, and it's going to show you what you need to know to get your first high-ticket commission with this amazing system. This is what I promote. And by the way, and you get all of these bonuses, and the price to get started, it's $7, okay? It's less than a book, and it has the power to change your life. So let me go and share with you what this 15-day challenge is. So here it is. So what this is as you go and you jump in here, and as you pay the $7, you get access to the 15-day challenge. So what it is each day you have a lesson. So for instance, day number 1, you have the lesson, which is the #1 secret to building a high-ticket, high-profit business. It's a video where you watch, you learn, and then you have assignments here that you need to complete. And then once you complete the assignments, you go to day number 2, which by the way, when you go down here, it says mark this lesson as complete, and then you will be able to go to day number 2 right here, which in this day is going to cover the core 4, which is the top high-ticket business models. Then you got to do your assignments, then go to day 3. This day is going to be another video that's going to go, let's build a business in under 30 minutes, okay? So you get all of this training step by step so you can get your business started. By the way, when you join with my affiliate link, I do get a small commission on this. I believe it's around $3. What you get as well is when you sign up on this page right here, which I'm going to leave below in the description below, you're going to go through this same funnel that I've just showed you. And if you take action with my link, I will be sending you emails, and you have my email right there, which you can reply to me. and I'll be mentoring you and helping you along the way if you need my help. Okay, so you have that. Not only if you sign up with my link, you are getting my support, and I'm a very tech savvy guy. I've been doing this for a while now, so you get my ongoing support. Okay, so let's go here back to where we were. So yeah, we are on the sales page now. As people come in here to the 15-day challenge, they have a couple of products here on the back office, which is the Marketer Club, Traffic University, and things like that. That if they buy, you're also making commissions, and you can make it ranges from low ticket commissions, from like $1 commissions up to $2,000 and something commission. The high ticket commission, which is for the blueprints, is normally $1,000. So one sale of that is $1,000 in your bank account. Yeah, so this is the sales page. Of course, you're not only getting the 15-day challenge, which is the online build challenge builder, business builder. So you get on all these days. You get on day 9, for example, you get this high income skill, which is lead generation. You're going to learn about that, which is very important. Day 10, you're going to learn the skill, which is copywriting, very important as well. And on day 11, you're going to learn the high income skill, sales and presenting. And you get all of these bonuses that are very important for you to get started well, which is a customized high-ticket business plan for you to know where you're going and what you need to do to be able to pull it off. Bonus number 2, you get a Facebook ads template. So if you want to run Facebook ads, you have a template here where you can tap into it. Bonus number 3, you get the high-ticket email templates with it to email to the people that join through your funnel. Which, by the way, I will give you training on how to do this because they show you how to do this with ClickFunnels. But if you're not ready to buy with ClickFunnels, I use Builderall, and I find it to be better and cheaper as well. So I teach you how to duplicate everything with Builderall, including the emails and everything. So you don't have to write them yourself and everything. It's all there, ready to go. So that's bonus number 3. Bonus number 4. It's high-ticket video scripts. This is the script for your bridge page. So if you don't know what to write there, or if you're even not comfortable on the camera, on my training itself, when you join through the link that I have in the description, I will give you the actually script and a Fiverr link where you can have somebody do it for you if you're not comfortable. Although I recommend you do it so you build trust with people, and when they see you, they trust you more. It's better. Then, okay, bonus number 5 is the high ticket phone script. So if you want to talk with people one-on-one through phone or through Messenger, this is the script you will use to convert people from leads into customers. Okay, this is very powerful stuff. Bonus number 2, you have the personal one-on-one business plan consultant with an advisor from the team. So they will give you a person that's gonna literally do consultations with you so you can do well. Bonus 7, a copy of my top converting high ticket affiliate funnel. So this is the funnel that they will give you through ClickFunnels. But if you decide to go with Builderall, which it's what I use, I'm gonna give you the steps and everything you need to do it. Okay, with a couple of clicks. So yeah, everything it costs $3,576 in value, but you aren't paying that today. You can get everything for just $7 right here, right now. It's less than a coffee at Starbucks, and or about that. And it really has the power to change your life. I have a friend that lately had a breakthrough, and he's making more than $10,000 a month doing this formula, okay? And he's basically following what I'm sharing with you here. So there you go. The link for this is in the description. I hope that was helpful. If you have any question, always feel free to comment below in the comment section below. Let me know what your thoughts about the video. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share this video with them. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it, because I do videos every Tuesday and Friday about making money online and helping you become great. Thank you so much for watching. It was a pleasure being here with you. Don't ever forget how amazing and blessed you are. Always believe in yourself. Look within yourself for the answers. They're all inside of you. Believe in yourself, and have a blessing day. Bye-bye.